Hello everyone from the fast and delicious kitchen. Today we will make the easiest dessert you can make at home with only 3 ingredients. If you want, let's move on to our recipe immediately without wasting time. First of all, we need half a liter of milk. Boil the milk and set it aside to warm up a little. The second ingredient required for this recipe will be caramel. For this, put 100 grams of sugar in a thick bottom saucepan. Let it melt over medium heat without interfering or stirring too much. Once the sugar starts to melt, you can intervene, but not with a spoon or a whisk. Just turn it left and right. Yes, as you can see, the sugar has completely melted. It turned into caramel. Add the milk slowly. I added it 3 times. The caramel will stick at first. Don't be afraid. Keep stirring constantly. Once the caramel is completely melted, we can now set it aside to warm up a bit. The third ingredient for the recipe is 2 eggs. First of all, whisk them well and add the milk caramel mixture. Try to pour it slowly, little by little. You know that if we pour hot milk into the egg, there is a possibility that it will cook immediately. Therefore, pour it slowly. Keep stirring little by little and continuously. Then pass this mixture through a strainer and pour it into the glass containers where we will cook it. By the way, which countries are you watching my channel from? I would be very grateful if you indicate this in the comments. Don't forget to share and subscribe for my channel to grow. Thank you very much. Yes, our pouring process is completed. Since these have lids, I put the lids on, but you can wrap them with cling film in your homes if you want. After wrapping them, put them in the pot, and after adding hot water, close the lid. Cook over medium heat for 15 minutes. The recipe is that easy and simple. The next step is to let it cool down in the refrigerator for a couple of hours after it comes to room temperature, and serve as you like. Bon appetit to those who will try it already. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to my channel for more. By the way, thank you very much for watching the video. I hope to meet you in the next video. Have a good day.